searching for the root of my pain, in shadows where memories remain, tracing back to where it all began, hoping to heal this broken man. Suffering whispers in my ear, telling tales I've always feared, a journey in a deep so fast, to free my soul, to break the cast. In the maze of my own design, I'll find the cause, unwind the mind. Freedom's not a distant star, it's right here where we are. Each step's a question, every turn a chance to let all bridges burn. In the stillness I find my peace, a gentle heart, a sweet release. This suffering isn't who I am, it's just a visitor, a fleeting scam. The cause is hidden, but close at hand. In my own spirit I will stand the cast. In the maze of my own design, I'll find the cause, unwind the mind. Freedom's not a distant star, it's right here where we are. Each step's a question, every turn a chance to let old bridges burn. In the stillness I find my peace, a gentle heart, a sweet release. This suffering isn't who I am, it's just a visitor, a fleeting scam. The cause is hidden, but close at hand. In my own spirit I will